Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, another episode of Cooking Tips with G-Rod. Happy Memorial Day weekend to everyone. First things first, this is more of a public service announcement. Everyone's gonna be grilling this weekend. You know, Dad, who hasn't cooked all fucking year, decides I'm king of the fucking grill. Probably doesn't know jack shit about cooking, but story for another day. First off, you got one of these brushes at home, steel, plastic, whatever, do yourself a fucking favor. Throw it in the garbage. It's the worst thing for you. The little bristles fall off, they end up on your grill, into your food. You want to be sending little Johnny to the hospital or like Memorial Day cookout? Way to go. Keep using that, okay? All you need is a damp rag. You take it, you heat your grill up, you preheat it. Clean it off that way. Very simple. No brushes, no nothing. That's it. That's all you need. When you're done cooking, you do the same thing. And then you call it a day. Okay, everyone enjoy your Memorial Day weekend.